everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Thank you so much for always watching, for always clicking anytime I upload a new video. Hope everyone is fine today. Hope we are staying safe. Hope we are healthy as well. So today's video is totally different from every other video you'll be seeing here on this channel. This video was inspired by you guys. Most of you, okay, I uploaded like a short clip on Instagram, and most of you, that's on my Instagram status, and most of you were like, I was asking you guys if you would like to see a room tour, and almost everybody was like, yes, we want to see a room tour. So that's why I decided to film this for you guys. If you are not following me on Instagram, I don't know what you're waiting for. Like, sis, bros, like, what are you waiting for? My content on Instagram is totally different from my content here on YouTube. So yeah, I'm going to leave the my Instagram handle name like over here or I'm going to leave it here. So yeah, just go ahead and follow me on Instagram. And if you don't already know, I still stay with my parents here. Like, I live with my parents. This room is supposed to be is meant for myself and my younger sister, but she actually moved recently and I was not liking the whole pattern, the whole arrangement of the room. So I just decided to transform it from what it was before to what you're about to see now. And I'm going to be like telling you guys the prices of almost everything in this room, just in case you want to renovate or maybe you want to transform your room, so that you know how much you are going to spend at the end of the day. And I'm also going to be leaving the numbers of all the vendors in the description box below, just in case you want to order for anything or you want to like call them to come and work for you. Anything you want to do, they are really affordable. In case if you want to see like videos like this, because I'm planning on doing like a kitchen transformation, bathroom transformation, sitting room transformation. So in case if you want to be seeing videos like this, just leave a comment in the comment section below, because I am going to be doing more of that now. Not like I'm saying I'm going to leave hairstyling. Like, hairstyling is my main thing. So yeah, I also want to like join or incorporate or like, you know, add on room transformation, kitchen transformation. I just want to add it up just to spice things up, so that we can also like get inspired when it comes to decorating our rooms or our house or doing like building things, you know. I'm also going to be adding that up here on this channel, so just be prepared, because a lot of things. So yeah, if you like my hair, I just made this wig recently and I made it without a closure. So if you like it, the video will be before this one. I actually filmed a video, very simple, very affordable hair. It's going to be in the description box below if you want to watch or you want to see what or how I achieved it. Just go ahead to click the link in the description box below. So yeah, that's it for the intro. We'll talk to you guys in my next video. Let's just move over to the main video. Bye. So first off, let's talk about the ceiling, because it's the first thing we did. We did the ceiling first, and like I said before, all the details of all the, you know, the vendors will be in the description box below, so that you can go and check them out. And in case if you are interested, I'm going to leave their numbers in the description box below. So yeah, for the ceiling, I actually bought like one bundle and then 3 pieces of PVC ceiling. So the guy is my childhood friend, because we all grew up together. So yeah, he was the one that fixed it for me, and it didn't cost much. So yeah, this is what the ceiling actually looks like. The next stop is the light. I love this light. I want something, you know, as a YouTuber, that you need something that will shine very, very bright. Yeah, that was why I decided to pick this POP lights. So I got 2 small sizes POP light and 2 big sizes POP light. And for the POP lights, they were not really expensive. The small sizes cost about 700 per one, and while the big sizes cost about 2,000 per one. So I placed the big sizes light just where I do like to take pictures. And one thing I like about the light is the fact that I can switch up the colors. It has blue color, mixed color, that's mixed with white, and then the plain white color. So that's why I really like it. So I can switch it off when I want to sleep, and then switch it on to the normal pure white light when I'm awake in the morning. See how the wall was actually looking like before and the transformation of the wall right now. What we did to the wall was just to screed the wall, fill in every holes The painter did that, and I paid the painter about 13,000 naira total, including the workmanship, that's the labor, and also the cost of materials like screening cement, screening paint, and also the glue. So the screening paint or cement actually cost about 4,000 naira, and while the paint cost about 2,000 naira. Then the glue cost about 1,000 naira. So I think it's fair enough. So I just paid him about 6,000 naira for labor. He did a good job. For the paint, I got the one that I can easily clean when it gets stained. It's called silk paint, I'm not sure, and it cost about 4,000 naira. So whenever it's stained, I'll just use like a material and water just to clean it up, then bring it back to the regular color, which is white. So that's it for the paint. We'll leave his contact in the description box below. He's very affordable, and the measurement was done in square meters, that's per square meter. That was how he charged me. He charged me per square meter. Moving on to the next side, which is the television side. I got this television 2014. It was actually a gift, so I can't remember how much it was then, and underneath it is the DVD player, and it's a Sony product, so I got them together that year as a gift. And for the wool or the slab was made by the furniture guy as a gift as well. After doing so much in my room, he made the wardrobe, the bed, and so many other things in this room. So yeah, at the side of the DVD is a torchlight. As a Nigerian living in Nigeria, you really need a torchlight by the side, just in case in the night they take the lights. Moving on, next is a mirror, and it was also made by the PVC guy. He made this mirror for just 7,500 last year. I didn't make this mirror this year, so it was either last year or last 2 years. I can't really remember, and he did a very good job. But now he said the mirror cost about 8,500 naira because of the increase in dollar. Love the mirror, and it's also one of my favorite plates. Apart from the PVC, he also makes like slide windows, wallpaper installation. So he's multi-talented. So in case, his contact will be in the description box below as well. Is the artificial plant I got from a lady, just a random lady that sells flowers. So it's artificial. So I do move this plant around. I move it whenever I want to take pictures, but I'm not liking the stand. Thinking of spray painting it to white, that's the stand, and then maybe or bring the whole flowers down and put it in a different stand, because I'm not liking the stand. So above it is where I do store things like provisions, hair stuffs, and some books, old books, that just random old books. And this was actually done last year as well, so I can't really remember how much I made it. On top of it, I like just random bulbs I do use to film sometimes. By the side are just box of products I've reviewed in the past, and I really love the pink one, guys. My favorite color is pink color, so I get easily attracted to pink. So I just saved or just kept that one here because of first hair they ever sent to me since I started YouTube, and I love the packaging, so I just kept the box there. Next is the window blinds. I just got them recently and I'm liking them, so I got about 2 for the 2 windows. I love this particular window blinds. I do not like the day and night. Got them for 17,000 naira. The reason why it's this expensive is because it's a 6x6 window blind. That's why it's really expensive. So I like the fact that it's white. It comes out so well on camera. So yeah, moving on to the next. So up there is the AC, and it is a Samsung product, and this is not new as well. I had this since. Down here is this furniture stuff that came with the bed, and I like it because I do keep like my bed sheet and random stuffs. So yeah, you can open it, you open and keep things inside, and as well you sit on it. Like 2 or 3 people can sit on it, so that's why I really like it. So down there on the floor is this fluffy rug. I just got it as well. It's so fluffy. You guys just see how fluffy this rug is. I like to play on this rug. I really like it so much. I'm sure this is my picture area, so, and I also use the rug to review product, and I got this rug for just 15,000 naira. I got it from Nanya Market. So yeah, I tried to price it online and they were telling me 30k, 25,000. This I got was 25,000 naira. So I just decided to go to Nanya Market in Abuja and I got it for just 15,000 naira. So yeah. Next is the bed area. I don't know if you guys could remember that this wall, that's the wallpaper initially or before, was black. So I decided to change it to white because the black was making the room look dark. So I wanted the room to look very bright, so that's why I decided to change the wallpaper. And it was a PVC guy that actually fixed or installed the wallpaper. So I just bought 2 bundles of the wallpaper, and I wanted like a plain white. Could not get a plain white. He got this particular one. So next is the bed. So yeah, the furniture guy actually did a good work or a good job here, this bed, and it's really affordable. I don't want to tell you guys how much because it will blow your mind. It's really affordable, guys. So yeah, I'm going to leave his contact in the description box below. And the reason why the mattress is a little bit high is because I joined about 2 mattresses together, and the mattress is not that big. It's a 6x4 and 4x6. I don't know how they call it. So yeah, the idea of joining 2 mattresses together to get like a high bed, it was from my younger sister. So yeah, I'm liking this whole idea. The next is the duvet. I got the duvet for just 9,000 naira from my sister's friend. She's into duvets and bed sheets. So her handle or her contact will also be in the description box below. I decided to get this particular one because it's a good material, and for the fact that it's white, I asked her to get me a white because I also did duvet covers so that I can be covering the duvet so that it does not get. Yeah, just go ahead and patronize her. The quality is really good. And by the side of the pillows are my daily manna or daily guide and my Bible. So I kind of read this every morning. If you want to see a morning routine from me, just leave a comment in the comment section below. So yeah, this is what the bedside looks or bed area looks like. Okay, moving on to the next area, which is my work area. So first I have my chair. So I got this chair like since let's say 2015, and it's not new. I didn't get it as brand new. I got it from Panteka, Jabi Panteka, and I got it for, I can't really remember how much I got it. And on top of it is this fluffy stuff I got from AliExpress, and I think it was just $30. I got it 2017 or 2018, I'm not sure, for $3. Okay, next is this table. This table was supposed to be for nails installation in the salon, but there was no space. The salon is very small, so there was no space to put the nail table. So I just decided to bring it home, and now I'm just enjoying the table because I'm using it as my work area or my work desk. So I've had this table for 4 years now, and it's still looking very good. So because it's a nail installation table, the sides are not really covered. That's why you see like openings by the sides. And inside the table or by the side of the table, I just kept like random things, my nail dryer, bulbs I used to film as well. Moving on, you guys already know that this is a ring light. So I got this ring light years back when I started makeup. I think 2015 to 16, I'm not sure, 250 to 60, and I got it for like, I can't really remember. It was really expensive. I got it from Austin 70 then, very expensive, but now you can get ring light for just 21,000 from Austin 70. Next to it is also a small ring light or a table ring light with a phone holder. So I also got this recently, 5,000 naira from Austin 70, just in case you are interested in getting it. And the mirror on the top of the table came with my makeup box. Then next are the small white boxes by the side, and they are skincare products I'm trying right now. I'm going to do like a review on the products very soon. Next on the top of the box is a vitamin C. I take vitamin C every morning because of COVID-19. And next is the AC remote and a small speaker I use sometimes when I'm happy or in a happy mood. So yeah, that is it for the work area. Let's move to the next side, which is the wardrobe area. Moving on to the next place, I have this box I got for traveling. It's a set of 4. Just covered it with this white waterproof just so that it doesn't get stained. So I kept it here because I could not keep it up. Moving on is the wardrobe. Just made the wardrobe recently, and it's the same guy that made the wardrobe, the bed that also made the wardrobe. So yeah, I love the wardrobe so much. The fact that the color is white, and also the fact that it comes with a mirror in the middle. It's just giving me good vibes, and I can actually stand here in front of the mirror and take pictures. Like I said before, I'm going to leave all the vendors details in the description box below, so in case if you are interested in like getting any, you can just contact them. Especially if you are in Abuja, you can just contact any of them. Next is the floor. I've been looking for how to get this floor, not until Nelo Okeke uploaded a video here on YouTube with details. So I immediately contacted her to help me with the guy's number, and yeah, I got this from Lagos. They just shipped it, or they delivered it from Lagos, and I got about 2.5 cartons. So I was only able to use just 1 carton on the visible side or visible part of my room. The other side I didn't put anything, and I spent for 1 carton, it cost me 24,000 naira. That's minus delivery. For the laying or installation, the PVC guy helped me to do so. So I told you guys that the guy that did the PVC is like my childhood friend. So most of the things in this room, he just helped me to fix it. So yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching the video from beginning to the end. Hope you like the video. If you want, like I said before, if you want to be seeing more of this type of videos, you can leave a comment in the comment section below. And also, if you want to see like a morning routine from me, you can also leave a comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to share this video to friends and family. Give the video a big thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't. Just go ahead to subscribe. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.